take that to General Hasnain. General Hasnain, you too are very well aware, and I can understand, Qamar Chima, you're not linking it to the solar eclipse. You are not linking it to what will happen in December. You too have to survive, sir, and I respect you. I respect you. General Hasnain, would you like to chip in on the horoscope? And that is why Imran Khan has dared to take on General Bajwa, because the one who's goading him, perhaps, as the grapevine indicates, is even more powerful than General Bajwa, and may just have ensured that Imran Khan got to where he was selected to be where he is, sir.
You see, there's no doubt about it, Gaurav, that Imran Khan, weakened as he is attempting to bring about a dissension within the Pakistan army itself. I'm not so sure how successful he can be. Although the Pakistan army doesn't have a history of too much dissension, they have been united whenever it comes to taking on the political authority. But Imran Khan seems, as very correctly said, seems to be delusional. It seems that with his weakened status, he can take on the army, bring about some kind of a dissension there, promote his own proteges. But this is very unlikely to succeed. In my appreciation, this is very, very unlikely, because General Bajwa is still very powerful. He's there for another year. He's going to be there till almost December of 2022. Okay. That's a three-year tenure which he has. So taking him on prematurely at this stage doesn't seem to be open to any kind of a reason. He's being rather irrational in his approach to dealing with this.
But then the one who, according to Pakistan grapevine, and I will come back to that once again, Ambassador Vishnu Prakash, this is not reason. This has more to do with other powers that might be at play, Ambassador Vishnu Prakash, because why would any sane Pakistan Prime Minister take on the Pakistan army? And I repeatedly say Pakistan because in India's context, well, the army sends a suggestion. It's the appointments committee of the cabinet that decides. They select anyone and then they say it. And it's very normal. In case any chief steps out of line, he faces the axe. It has happened in our country in the past. But Ambassador Vishnu Prakash, could it well be that Imran Khan's better half is goading him into this, following certain, perhaps whether it's scriptures or whatever her feeling may just be, sir?
Gaurav, Mr. Imran Khan will also get to select. There'll be a list which will have 3 names. First will be Nadeem Anjum, second will be Nadeem Anjum, and third will be Nadeem Anjum. And Mr. Imran Khan will select. So that due process will be followed. And I don't know about the horoscope, but I know about jinns. There are jinns who kind of whisper things into somebody's ears, which determines the decision of certain people. So, it's all about jinns, but then there is the reality of Qamar Chima, and you do not take on Pakistani army chiefs, that too who have put in or will have a 6-year tenure. That's all.